Hello everyone, this is Reena and you're watching my Hindi class. Today I'll show you how to introduce na to your little one. Okay, so before introducing this letter, let's do a recap. By doing different activities in different times, what happened, they won't feel bored. So this time I'm going to do an activity, a recap activity, matching the letter with the picture. So you can also draw a picture this side and a letter this side and ask your child to match it before introducing the new letter. We completed the recap activity by doing matching, and it's our time to introduce letter na. What letter? Letter na. Right? This is letter na. And na say null. What is null? Yes, null means it's a tap. Right? It's a tap. So now I am going to draw a picture for na say null. To keep your child remember the letter and the picture, I am going to draw a picture related to the letter. Let's see how to draw a null. This is your null, right? A tap. You can fetch water from this. Okay, water comes from the tap. Okay, it's very easy. So what happens, your child will be able to remember the picture and the letter when you draw a picture for a letter. Now show your child how to write na in their 4-rule notebook. Okay. This is a 4-rule notebook. Red line and blue line. Now just make your child write on this 4-rule notebook like this. How? A small circle and the first blue line like this, and a sleeping line and a standing line from red line to the second blue line, and a sleeping line on top of it, right on the red line. This is letter na. Okay, I'll repeat. A small circle here on the first blue line and a sleeping line and a standing line from the red line to the second blue line and a sleeping line on top of the standing line right on the red line. Okay, this is the sample format which I have written in my notebook. You can also copy the same way na and ask your child to write it. While writing, ask them to repeat, ask them to say na, say null. So they'll not forget the letter and the picture. They'll start relating the picture to the letter in future, and it will help your child to read easily. So friends, I hope you are all ready to teach your child, right? So na say null. So keep watching my video. Take care.